Looking for a reliable tool to keep your goats, sheep, or alpacas comfortable and healthy? The 8-inch goat hoof trimming scissors deliver precise, safe trimming with ease. Designed specifically for hoof care, these scissors combine sharpness and control, making hoof maintenance less of a chore and more of a straightforward task. I've seen how difficult trimming hooves can be without the right tool. Awkward angles, slipping hands, and dull blades all add up to frustration. That's why the ergonomic anti-slip handle on these scissors stands out. It fits comfortably in your hand, reduces fatigue, and includes shock-absorbing straps plus upgraded switch locks to keep safety front and center. Even if you're new to hoof trimming, you'll feel confident and steady. The sharp, high-carbon steel blades are engineered for precision. They cut cleanly through thick, overgrown hooves without crushing or tearing. This means less stress for your animals and a smoother experience for you. Plus, the 8-inch length strikes the perfect balance between control and portability, so you can maneuver easily around your livestock or even use it for other tasks like gardening or agricultural work. Durability is key when you're working on a farm or ranch, and these scissors don't disappoint. Their rust-resistant finish and replaceable springs ensure long-lasting performance. Whether you're trimming goat hooves or tackling alpacas and lambs, this tool stands up to the job day after day. It's a practical investment that pays off in better animal care and less hassle. What changes when you switch to this hoof trimmer? You get cleaner cuts, improved safety, and a tool that adapts to your needs. The multifunctional design means it's not just for hooves, it's handy for a variety of farm and garden tasks, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. That kind of flexibility matters when every tool has to earn its keep. If you're serious about livestock care and want a dependable, easy-to-use hoof trimmer, this 8-inch model is worth a look. It's built to handle tough jobs with precision and comfort, so you spend less time worrying and more time caring. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your trimming routine. Investing in the right hoof care tool can transform your daily farm work. The 8-inch goat hoof trimming scissors offer sharpness, safety, and durability in one compact package. Whether you manage a small herd or a large ranch, this tool helps you maintain healthy hooves efficiently. That's good for your animals, and good for your peace of mind.